Do it again. Nice jump, dude. Okay, go. Nice. Riley, what do you think?
Good.
Is this fun?
Uh-huh.
Hold on, stay there. Hey, see ya.
Woo!
Nice.
Hi, Nixie, Mason, and Mom.
Say, I wish you guys were here.
I wish you guys were here. It was a fun time.
All right. Say, see you later and cruise down the hill.
I'm going to start cruising down the hill.
Okay, go. See ya.